Hi, I am Richard Samuel Freeman from Sierra Leone, from the School of Economics and Management, majored in Applied Economics. When traveling to a new destination, it is easy to get caught up in the excitement and overlook packing the most essential item you need. This is true when coming to China, especially Xi'An city, for the first time as a student. In this video, I will provide helpful advice on what you should be sure to bring with you when traveling to China. Let's get into it. First, documents. Make sure your passport, visa, and acceptance letter are physically available with you and easily accessible. These are the primary documents the immigration authority will request from you at the airport. Having these documents readily available is a must. Your medication. Alongside your luggage, you should also pack your first aid kit, especially including items such as allergy pills, cold medicine, fluid replacement shot, and other common illness medication you may need. However, remember to take written prescription of some complicated medications from your doctor. The city Xi'an is relatively a very cold city with a complicated weather. It is advisable to prepare for both warm and cool weather. Now, consider bringing a light jacket for a chill weather, sweaters and thick jackets for winters and cooler season. Also, include a few sets of professional and formal attires for academic or social events. Don't forget to pack a few items that represent your home country or culture, such as traditional clothing. This can be useful for sharing your culture with new friends in China. In packing electronic devices like laptop, phone, tablets, and their respective chargers and adapters, it is important to know that in China, the voltage type uses 220 to 240 volts, that is 50 Hz electrical power. The two main plug types used in China are the type AC plug. This is the most common plug type used in China. It has two flat parallel pins. It is also compatible with type C plugs, which has two round pins. Lastly, the type I plug. This is another plug type used in China, though less common than the type AC. It has three flat pins arranged in a triangular pattern. 1. WeChat. This is the most widely used messaging and social media app in China. It allows you to communicate with locals, make payments, and access a variety of services. 2. Alipay, a popular mobile payment app that is widely accessible throughout China. It can be used for making purchases and transferring money. 3. Translation app. I personally recommend Baidu Translate. Remember to pack light and only bring essential, as you can purchase many things once you arrive in China. See you soon in China.